Halloween. Today I'll be discussing what web crawlers are and what they do. Now before I start talking, I want to clarify that I'm not talking about these web crawlers, nor this web crawler, but instead I'm going to be talking about internet web crawlers, which are surprisingly like these two. Web crawlers are robots that move from web page to web page, mapping out the internet. Kind of like how explorers like Columbus, Amerigo, and Magellan mapped out the Earth. Web crawlers move from web page to another web page using links. If a web page has a working link, then the crawler maps the page that is currently on and moves on. Now in this example, let's say there's a working link between letter A and letter B. The spider prints out and maps some letter A, then moves on to B. Now, in real life, spiders and other bugs multiply rapidly in the wild, and this is true online. If a page has multiple links, then the crawler multiplies and continues. The crawler only stops mapping out the web when it either hits a page with no links or gets stuck in a loop. An example of a loop is examples D, F, and E. Let's say the crawler starts on letter D and moves on to F. If F has a link to E, it'll jump to E. And if E has a link to D, then it will jump to D. Since D only has a link to F, then it gets stuck in a continuous loop. Sometimes a crawler can map out thousands of pages, or maybe only one. Despite this, crawlers do not all start on the same page. For example, if I have a web page, but no other page has a link to my page, then my page will not be found. But if a crawler started on it, then it will be automatically found and recorded. When crawlers start at different places, their combined information can accurately map the internet where one crawler cannot. An exception to this is websites with passwords or robot.txt files. Since robots cannot enter passwords, protected sites are not mapped. Sites with robot.txt files, on the other hand, are different than password-protected sites. Robot.txt files have commands inside them that crawlers can read and execute. This could either tell them to go to a certain page, or to not map this to a certain page that is on. In this example, let's say letter D has a robot.txt file. Let's say this certain one tells it to not map this one, so this one is out of it. To recap, web crawlers are web page recorders that map out the internet. They move from web page to web page using links, and some web pages cannot be recorded or found. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.